Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to create the to-do list app. That is a basic app with basic feature. This is perfect for beginners if you are starting with FlutterFlow. If you are new to this platform, then this project will help you to understand all the basic FlutterFlow features. So for this we have to create a new project that will be a blank project. Name the project as to-do app. And as you can see that we are building a social media mobile application, and we are publishing all the updates. As you can see that we are working on a social media app parallelly, uh, and we also publish all our projects. So uh, if you want to access this to do mobile app after we finish building this app, you can access this app with our website, or when we will publish it to the Play Store. So now start building. Now we have a literally blank project. We will shift to the dark mode. This is the app bar. We will remove the app bar. We will design our home screen purely ourselves. So the column is needed. Now basically we have to design the FlutterFlow UI first. So as you can see, this is the home page. This is the and in the home page you can add anything. You can add widgets, columns, buttons, page view, and there are a lot of widgets in options here. You can set the background color of the scaffold. You can see that you can set any color, but we will be in the normal standard color. So you can change the mode. As you can see, dark mode and light mode. So at first we will take a row, then a text. We will give some padding to the row so it doesn't collide with the side screens. From up 12 and from down 12. That's come to the home page. Scaffold. This is called scaffold. Okay, here check if the safe area is on. If it is turned off, then you should turn it on. Now change the text to home. This will be our home page. Change the font, change the font size. Now we will start designing our main home page. Our home page will contain a search bar, so we can search our tasks. So we will add a search bar. Add a search for text field. This is text field. Add this text field. Width should be 150. That's enough. Okay, it's not getting smaller. So what we can do, we will add a container. In the container we will wrap the text field. Come to the container and cut it. Fill color. We will make the container transparent. Container's height should be not more than 50, and the width should be 150, or make it 200. Yeah. Now click on the row and make the main axis alignment to space between. Now come again, container, text field. The text field width, remove the width, so it will be auto mode, in auto mode. Now the hint text, here you can see this is text field. We will change the hint text. This is search task. You can change search text field. You can change the name of the text field. I will keep it as usual. Here you can add custom hint style. For focus border color, when we will click on this, the focus border color will be green. We will not add any other border color. We will see if we can add an icon. To add an icon, okay, so we will add an icon manually. Cut it, add a row in the container, and again that's it. We will search for icon. Now you got the icon. In the icon, search. We will change the icon color. It will secondary text. We will change to to-do list. Now we are done with our header things. We will improve the row. We will improve the UI step by step. Now here we will add another container. The containers width should be 100%. Containers height should be 70 or 60. Give some padding. Container, we will use border radius. Set the border radius to 18. In this container, we will add another row. In this row, we will add another containers or buttons. So you can use buttons or containers. I will use a container. The previous container's height is 60. So we will reduce this container's height. It will be 50. And I think width is good. And the alignment padding should be 50. We will change the fill color to primary background and the border radius to 24. This will be the list of the type of the tasks. Like you can separate the task like home, work, college, or anything like this. This row will be here we will use multiple containers like this. Here you can swipe. This row will be swipeable, as you can swipe and see the remaining lists if there is any. We will add text, and the text will be at the center. This text this will be college task. We will change the font to comic so it looks a little bit of attractive. Change the font size. We'll manage the height of the container, and also we can use the border radius same like this. I think this will look some better. Now for better UI development, you can, here it will be work, it will be home, and like this. You can see that we have a container, and here we will add another text. Hold the text here, and alignment will be left, will be list type. Or you can change the alignment to right, list of tasks, and yeah, and in the next video we will add the all work or all the tasks that you will add to the to-do app, and also we will connect it to the Firebase. So thanks for watching, guys. We see you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel, and we will continue the to-do application development today. So in the column, add another container. The container's width should be 100%. Add some padding like 12, and the height should be auto. No, not auto. I think 80%. Or you can leave the height as auto as well. I think the height here, we will start with 500 pixels. Add some border radius like this. Add a text here at the middle. Add the text some padding. Alignment of the text should be at the right. will be all work list. I think left would be better for this. Yes. That is our, yes, we are improving our design. This is the home page, and here we will create a button and this will be the account button. Wrap this widget into a, okay, we will add a row. Take the row to the top. Then add a circle image. Take the diameter, fix the diameter to 50, and main axis alignment will be space between. Unclick this circle image. Here your profile picture will be shown, or if you click here you will be navigated to the profile of yours. Let's see if the search button looks better. No, it doesn't look better here. So what we can do, we can change the width of the search button to 100, no, not 80%. Give some padding. Give some padding to the text field, and that's it. We will add some padding to the row to separate it from the upper things. In this container now, we will create the tasks that the user will add. We have added a container again. In this container we have added a container again. Fill color, change the fill color to primary background. We will in this container we will take a list view. In the list view we will tag a container. Container's background color will be primary background, and the width should be 90%. Height should be 50. And padding should be 12 from above, or like this you can do it also like this. Give it some border radius. I think this looks better. Now in this container we will add a row. In this row we will add another row. In the row we will take a text. At first we will separate the whole row from the edges to save the things from up 5 and from down 5 as well. This text will be the title of the work you have to do. So the title of the work, like buy 1 kg potato. You may have to set some priority if the task is important or not. So to set if the task is important or not, we will add an icon. Make the main row space between. We will change the icon to star. And the color is golden. Here we have to set total of 2 icons, a golden icon and a unfilled icon. So we have to take a stack. In the stack we will add the golden icon and copy and paste it. We will change the icon color now to primary text and make the star and later we will change it to conditional. On click the blank star, you will be able to change it as important or not. You can also flag or unflag. You can also flag or unflag the task. So we will add another row. In the another row we will create another stack, and in this stack we will take a row again. We will take another icon again and like we will highlight. So our flag, to flag the task we will add a unfilled flag and a filled flag. And then again take another icon and take the filled flag, and the filled flag color will be green. make it some light green. And we will also add a edit button, so we can edit the task. So we will add another icon here, and this will be edit the task, for editing the task, and another icon. All of this will be working as a button, and a button to remove the task. Remove, or you can also use a delete icon. Delete the task. That's it. We will move the edit button to this row. Here we will use the button in this row. I think that looks somehow good. And distance, make some distance. Stack, and from this stack as well 5, and this will create a list view. All the tasks will be shown here at a time, and you will also be able to see the different tasks differently. Like if you click on the college task, and if the type is college, we should also add a type. Here I think we should add it in a column. We will cut it, add a column, and in the column we will paste it. We will cut the last text again and paste it in the column. We will increase the container's height to 55, I think, or 50 or 60 should also be a good choice. And alignment will be this. The rows padding was 12, so the types will be also 12. It will be college work, or like school work or homework, like this will be the type. So that's it for today, guys. We will continue our design in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel once again, and today we will connect our mobile to-do application to-do list to the Firestore. So we will create a collection here. This will be our database. So now what you have to do, you have to go to the Firebase section in the project setup, and you have to go to the Firebase, and now go to project settings. So before that, I want you to know that if you want to learn that how to create a Firebase and how to set up a project, how to set up a new project, how to create a Firestore database, storage, everything, I have created a separate video on this. Connect FlutterFlow to Firebase. In this video I have taught you that how to create a project in Firebase, how to create an account, and everything you need to connect FlutterFlow to Firebase. Now, after creating a project and setting all the permissions, go to the project settings, and here this is your project ID, and you have to paste your project ID here. Now click on connect, and this is successful. Generate config files. It's done, and here in the Firebase storage, click on the manage outside of FlutterFlow. Click it on, make it on, and that's it. We are set. Now we can create the Firestore collection. Create a new collection and name it user, and we will make it from scratch. Starts from scratch. This is the username. No, make it display name. This will be the username. String. We will use a list of type of task. Or name it task type. This will be string is list true. Also here this is the main title of the task, so go here and give a task title. This will be string. For now, wrap this text in a row. Add a row and add another text, and make the row, give the row some padding first here, and make the rows the main axis alignment as space between. This is the type of the task, and this will be the date time when the task should be completed today or tomorrow. Actually, the deadline of the task. This is the title, so we will make the title a little bit bigger. Make the height a little bit more bigger. Okay, change the text color to secondary text. Same for the date time. So the main things get highlighted. This is the post title, and we will also make a post description. This will also be string. Task time, by the time we have to complete the task, and if the task is important or not, this will be a boolean value. or actually this is the user collection. So we have to duplicate this collection, the new collection name, give it task collection or task book. We will connect this task book with the user. So we need all these things, and in this task book we need user reference, document reference, user, that's it. In the languages, primary language, and this is not needed to be set. Enable web for this. For now I will turn it off, and we will set up all of these things later. And we will create a flag, make it boolean if the task should be flagged or not, and that we have already added task time. Now I think for now that's it, and all the values, variables we have already created. I think this in the user field, delete the unnecessary variables. Post description is also not needed. Task title, task type, and task time as well. We can create a joint time, joint date. This will also be date time. That's it for now, because we have created the backend variables. In the next video we will connect all of them with the front page. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to set up the whole Firebase backend in our to-do mobile application. So let's go to the task book collection, and we will change the task type from list of strings to only string. So task type will be string. So we will start from here. Also this will in this circle image the user will able to see the profile picture of the user. So we will take a photo, that is the DP or the profile picture. So this will be the profile picture. Okay, so we don't have the authenticated user reference. To bring the authenticated user reference, we have to go to the authentication and enable authentication. Authentication type Firebase. Initial page, for now we will keep the home page as initial page and logged in page also as initial home page. But it's, as you can see that entry page and logged in page should be different, so we will make the entry page as create account page or login page later in this series. Now we got the authenticated user collection. So in the authenticated user collection, take the photo URL and default variable value should be something like this. This is the default variable value. Now the profile picture backend is set. In the row we have taken the container. In the container we have the query collection of the task book. Actually, we will take the document reference from the task book, document reference of the user from the authenticated user reference. There is no authenticated user reference. So what we should do in this row, for now I will delete the container collection, and in the row create a query of task book and user reference equal to, okay, we are not getting the authenticated user reference, we have to create the create account page first, or come here actually come here and turn on the Firestore setting user collection, and it will be users. Deploy the Firestore rules here. That's it. Now we should get it. In the row backend it will be query collection of the list of documents, filter data, user reference equal to authenticated user reference. Order, create order by task time, it will be decreasing, and yes, confirm by creating backend query. And now you can see that we have a query, and make the row swipeable, so we can swipe like this. Now we have to create this list, but before we will set this post title in the container. Take a document reference. Document reference should be the task book. From the task book document reference. That's it. Now the text should be the container reference from the container reference task title. And in the list view we got some error here. Go to the Firestore setup. User has duplicate fields, display name in the display name. Okay, so we will delete our display name. Firestore indexes are not set properly, so deploy the Firestore index So we have to create a display name, not this string. We have to create display name like this. This should be string, and now that's it. The error has gone. In the list view, we have to create a list query collection from the task book list of documents, filter the data. All the data should be from the user reference equal to authenticated user reference, and the ordering should be on the basis of task time decreasing. Yes, create backend query. Now you can see that we have okay, this is the list of types, so we should select the type, task type, and default variable value should be default. We will create a default list. If the user doesn't select any type of list, then it will go to the default list. Okay, so in the next video we will make the features of the delete button, the flag button, and the important make the task important or not, this button. And here we also have the type of the task, so make it okay. So we have to take a document reference from the task book, and we'll take the reference from the list view. Now we will create it this is the post title. So from the container, select the task title. This is the type of the task, so task type, and this is the time when the task was created, so date time format, relative moment ago. That's it. So our front page, our home page is set, and this functionalities make it important: flag or delete the task. We will create this functionalities in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to implement the features of the important tasks, flags and delete. So now we have to create a variable, that is we have already created a variable, the important, and the variable's data type is boolean. Here we have the filled and unfilled icon. So we will make the icon conditional at first. So The first icon is unfilled, so unfilled icon. The condition is from the task book document. If the task is important equal to true, equal to false, then this was the field. So this was the field icon, so it will be true. And this is the unfilled icon, so condition is the task book important equal to false, and that is important equal to true. We will create the action of this. On click the icon, it will update the task as important. Unclick the icon, update the task important equal to true. And if it is already filled, then on tab it will update it as not important. So update the document. Important equal to false. So we are done with our important and not important icon, and now we will use the flagged, that is flagged, and that is flagged empty, unflagged. So at first we will make the flag button as conditional. From the task book, we should already have the flag button, flag variable, so we don't have a flag variable. Now we have to set up the flag button. Here is the flag button conditional. Make the flag conditional. If the flag add a variable flagged or not, it is boolean also. Now if it is flagged equal to true, then yes. Okay, this is unflagged button, so the value will also be false for this, and this is flagged. So also make it conditional. Flagged equal to or not equal to true, because we don't get any initial value, so we need to show the blank. sorry, this is equal to true, and the unflagged not equal to true, and same for the field button. Important not equal to true. Then we will show this. And now we are done with our important and flag button. This will work properly. And now we have the delete option left, also the edit option. So in the next video we will learn how to delete a task from the list. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to create the create account or login page for our to-do list mobile application. So if we don't create a login function or a user profile function, then we won't able to store the information of the user in the Firestore database. To store it to the online database, we have to make the user allow the user to create the account. Only then we can understand that whose data is this. To differentiate the data between the users, we need to create the account function. So we will take a new page. It will be create account. We will add a container. Width and height both will be 100%. And now we will add a column. In the column we will add another container. Columns main axis alignment will be at the middle. The container's fill color should be primary background. We will give the column some padding, 12 from the left, 12 from the right, and that's it. For the container, we will set the container to 90%, and height will also be 90%. 90% not, we don't need that much, so it's 70%. Okay, border radius, let's make the border radius to 24. Now we need another column. In the column we will add a text. At first we will add a text in the previous column. At the top, give the text some padding. It should be welcome to the to-do list app. Or welcome to the to-do list. That's it. add a text field. Add another text field. And this column's main axis alignment should also be at the middle center place. This should be 90% or 70%. Max lines will be 1. Go to the hint text and change it to email. It will be the email field, and the second will be the password field. The width should also be focus border color success green, and the width should be 70%. Give some padding like 5. We will add another, that is confirm password field. And we also need a button. The button says create account. Button width should also be 70%. We will reduce the color's intensity. It gives it a premium look. You can give something in blue or some dark blue. Okay. Now we will add another button here. If the user already have an account, then we should allow the user to log in with their personal credentials. Give the row some padding, 12 from left, 12 from right. Add another text. The text says already have an account. The row's upper alignment should be, upper padding should be more than 12, and add and container's height should be 50, not more than 50, or let's say 32. Give some padding. In the container we will add an text. Text, border radius, we will give a good amount of border radius, and the text alignment should be at the center, and it says and it allows the user to go to the login page. I think we should make the height of the button a little bit more. We will copy the color code from here. copy the color code and paste it here as well. Now we already have completed our create account page. We will name the text fields. And this is confirm password. On click the create account button, we should create an account. So it should be create document, user, task type, collection should be user, set fields. Sorry, it should be create account, not create document. So in Firebase authentication, create an account, email field, then email field. These are the text field options that we have created. So this is the email field, so we will set email. We will modify this from variable, widget state and password, and this is also the from variable, widget state and confirm password. And that's it. We will create a snack bar. So snack bar, your account was created successfully. As this is a create account page, so we will write create account here. Give it a comic look. I think the fill color isn't looking that much good, so we will change the fill color of the button. Should be secondary background, and border color should be secondary background. Reduce the fill color, and that's it. Same for this. Color is secondary background. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is our create account page, and we have created our first create account page. Through this, the user will able to create an account, and as you can see that we have go to the app details page, and the entry page should be create account page, and the logged in page should be home page. So in the next video we will continue our to-do list app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to create the create account or login page for our to-do list mobile application. So if we don't create a login function or a user profile function, then we won't able to store the information of the user in the Firestore database. To store it to the online database, we have to make the user allow the user to create the account. Only then we can understand that whose data is this. To differentiate the data between the users, we need to create the account function. So we will take a new page. It will be create account. We will add a container. Width and height both will be 100%. And now we will add a column. In the column we will add another container. Columns main axis alignment will be at the middle. The container's fill color should be primary background. We will give the column some padding, 12 from the left, 12 from the right, and that's it. For the container, we will set the container to 90%, and height will also be 90%. 90%, not, we don't need that much, so it's 70%. Okay, border radius, let's make the border radius to 24. Now we need another column. In the column we will add a text. At first we will add a text in the previous column. At the top, give the text some padding. It should be welcome to the to-do list app, or welcome to the to-do list. That's it. Now we will add a text field. Add another text field. And this column's main axis alignment should also be at the middle, center place. This should be 90% or 70%. Max lines will be 1. Go to the hint text and change it to email. It will be the email field, and the second will be the password field. The width should also be focus border color success green, and the width should be 70%. Give some padding like 5. We will add another, that is confirm password field. And we also need a button. The button says create account. Button width should also be 70%. We will reduce the color's intensity. It gives it a premium look. You can give something in blue or some dark blue. Okay. Now we will add another button here. If the user already have an account, then we should allow the user to log in with their personal credentials. Give the row some padding, 12 from left, 12 from right. Add another text. The text says already has an account. The row's upper alignment should be, upper padding should be more than 12, and add and container's height should be 50, not more than 50, or let's say 32. Give some padding. In the container we will add a text. Border radius, we will give a good amount of border radius, and the text alignment should be at the center, and it says and it allows the user to go to the login page. I think we should make the height of the button a little bit more. We will copy the color code from here. Copy the color code and paste it here as well. We already have completed our create account page. We will name the text fields. And this is confirm password. On click the create account button, we should create an account. So it should be create document, user, task type, collection should be user, set fields. Sorry, it should be create account, not create document. So in Firebase authentication, create an account, email field, then email field. These are the text field options that we have created. So this is the email field, so we will set email. We will modify this from variable, widget state and password, and this is also the from variable, widget state and confirm password. And that's it. We will create a snack bar. So snack bar, your account was created successfully. As this is a create account page, so we will write create account here. Give it a comic look. I think the fill color isn't looking that much good, so we will change the fill color of the button. Secondary background, and border color should be secondary background. Reduce the fill color, and that's it. Same for this. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is our create account page, and we have created our first create account page. Through this, the user will able to create an account, and as you can see that we have go to the app details page, and the entry page should be create account page, and the logged in page should be home page. So in the next video we will continue our to-do list app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we will continue our to-do application. Now in the create account page, we have completed our create account with all the required actions. Now we have to create a login page. As you can see that on tap this button, the user should be navigated to the login page. We will create a duplicate copy from here of the create account page, and we will modify the page and name the page as login. Now as you can see that this page is the login page, so we will modify all the text from create account to login. We'll delete the confirm password, and this button should name login. And this text will be create account. The width of the container, increase the width to 126 pixels. Now unclick the login button. We will change the actions, change and search for login in Firebase authentication. This is the email. Okay, so this is email, this is this email field, and this is the password field. Delete the snack bar and turn off the navigate automatically, and it will navigate to the home page. Now we will change the background for better better UI. We will change the container's background image. We will upload some images. As you can see that we have set our background image, and we will make it a little bit of bold and increase the font size. And for this container we will make it a little bit transparent for professional look. Here you can see and we can that's it. We are ready we are ready with our login page. And now go to the create account page, change the background image, upload a file, change the background, change its transparency, fill color, and that's it. This is our create account page. Increase the size and make it bold. Okay, now we are done with our create account page and login page fully. These pages are fully functional, and on click the create account button, the user should navigate to the create account page. So that's it for today, guys. We have created our login page, create account page, and in the home page you can see that this is the container of the circle image of the user's profile picture. On click this, the user should be navigated to their profile page. So in the next video we will create a profile page. So that's it for today guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create the main profile page of the user in your to-do list application. As you can see, on click the circle image, the user should be navigated to their profile page. So we have to create a blank profile. The profile should be user profile page. We'll add a container. Make the width of the container to 100%. Height should also be 100%. Add a column. In this column, add a circle image first. Circle image. This will be the profile picture of the user. Diameter should be little close to 150. Give some padding from the upper up. Add a stack. In the stack, add the circle image and also add an icon. So we have to add a container again. Come here and in the container properties, make the container as circular shape. See that the circle image diameter is 150. So the container's diameter we will make 150, and we will put the circle image into the container, and the container and the circle image is now fixed. We will add a stack. Actually, in the container we will first add a stack. In the stack we will paste the circle image as usual, and then the icon in the container. Now we will set the icon's alignment to right bottom corner. Change the icon to add. We don't need the previous tag, so delete the previous tag. And now we are done with our container. On click this button or on click here, the user will be able to change their profile picture. Now we have to add a text field. And as you can see that we have this column. Give the column some padding from the left, right. I think we should give it padding from all the sides. So that's it. Now give some padding to the text field. Fill color should be primary background, but before that we will make the width to 100%, or I think 70% is better. Focus border color to green and fill color should be primary background. Now add some more padding. It looks better then. Add a text. This text is display name. Our display name. Change the font, make it a little bit of bold. And change the hint text to display name. Or we can change it to your name. We can reduce the padding. Now we have to add a button to update the profile. In the column section, we will change the main axis alignment to the bottom. We will add another column, and in this column we will add everything, and the columns padding from the end or from the bottom we should increase a little bit. Now we will add a button. Give the button some padding. Update profile. Button's width should be 70%. And this as primary background. So we are already done with our profile. We will display here that this is your profile, so make it some little bit of bold. We will wrap it in a container and then paste the other things. We will cut this, and in the main column we will paste it. We will change the background of the main scaffold to secondary background, and we will give the text. that's it, guys. We are almost done with our profile page. Now we will set the background. The default profile picture. This is your default profile picture. So network, path, authenticated user, photo URL, and UI display variable value. You can set it or you can leave it as well. And this is the circle image value. So it will be on click this container, the user should be able to update their profile picture. So update document, authenticated user reference, and photo URL from variable. Okay, so we will allow the user to update, upload file, upload or save media to Firebase, either camera or the gallery. Image quality should be reduced. Show snack bar. That's it. We will add a snack bar that your profile picture was uploaded, or we can simply leave it because we have already enabled the snack bar here. So the background container will be the background image container will be the photo URL, and the circle image, it will be cached, and the path should be from the widget state, uploaded file URL. We will update the profile. We will add a conditional action. Condition: if the widget state display name is set and non-empty, then add an action. Update document of the authenticated user reference, photo URL from variable, the widget state, if you have uploaded anything or not, and then your display name from variable, the widget state, display name. Navigate back or navigate to the profile page, to the home page, and add an action. Show snack bar. Your profile info was updated, or information. If the condition doesn't comply with our conditional action, then we will show a alert dialog, information dialog, that display name field cannot be empty. Please enter your name. That's it. We will make the circle image condition. Here widget state uploaded file URL is set and non-empty. Yes, and we will also add a back button. So for this we have to add a row. And then add an icon. Alignment should be space between. We will remove the profile this text padding from the up. We will give the row some padding, up 32, and from left 12, and from this left 12 also. Unclick it, the user should be navigated back. So now we are done with our profile page. So thanks for watching, guys. We will continue making the to-do list app in this series, and we will publish it so you can check the application out. I will give the website link in the video description, so you can check out the to-do application that we are working on. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to create the add a task page in our to-do list application. So we have already created the user profile page. Now in the home page, this is your profile picture. So on click this circle image, the user should be navigated to the user profile page. So navigate the user to user profile page if the user click on this. And in the create account page, go to the create account page. On the create account button, when user is creating their account, this navigates the user automatically to some page, but we don't want it. We want the user to be navigated directly to the home page and show a snack bar that your account was created successfully. Now we will create a blank page. In this blank page, and we will name the blank page create task. So the scaffold, we will change the scaffold background color to secondary background. Now we will add a column, add an icon, give the column some padding, 12, 25 from the up and 12 from the right. Add a text, increase the font size, make the rows main axis alignment to space between, and create a new task. Let's see, I'm checking something. Yes, we have already implemented the delete, make it important, flag it, or things like this. So now we need to create a create task page. We will add a text field. At first we will create a text. Take a container, make the container's fill color to primary background, border radius 18, and the width should be 100%, and the height should be 40%. Add a column in the container. In the column, add the text. Give the column some padding, and the columns cross-axis alignment should be left. Give padding from the left. This will be the task title. This is optional. You can give it the heading, or you can directly write task title in the hint text. Here you can change it to task title. I will make it to 70% the width. Columns main axis alignment should be the top, and cross axis alignment will be at the middle. For the container, we will give some padding here. This is task title. Duplicate or simply copy. Copy this and paste it. This will be task description. Not necessary. This is optional. Change the hint text. Add some padding. And max lines 2. We will allow the user to add the date and time by the task should be completed. So add a text. The completion time is also not necessary, I think. We will add a button. Completion time. Unclick the button. Let's leave it for now. We are designing the UI for now, so we will add the backend ladder. Now create if the task is important or not. Add a row. In this row we have given the column alignment from the left, so we also need to give the alignment from the right as well. Let's see that what functionalities our application have. So we have flag, make it important, etc. So as you can see that we have the list type, we have important flag, etc. So main thing is list type. So now we will go to the create task page. In the create task page we will reduce the size of the container. Let's make it we will give it pixels, some 200 or 300 or 250, I think. Good. Now we will duplicate the container, remove the fields, give the container some size. 250 is good. In this container we will add lists. So we will add a drop down menu. We can make some buttons like previous buttons, like home, work, etc. We will add a row, duplicate the row or copy paste it, space between to be homework will be work, will be homework. You copy the row, but before that I think we can add like this: homework, shopping, and this is wish list. We will make the row scrollable and give some padding to every button. Here we will add a rich text. In the rich text, task type, and on click the buttons it will update the task type, and the task type will be shown here. Also, the user can create a new task type or a list of task type that will be shown in the drop down menu. Here we will add a drop down menu. Add some padding, and in the select, and the options will be from the authenticated user reference, the task type list of strings. Define options. No further changes. It will be optional, so we will give a or in between. So we are done with our task type UI, and now we will make it important or flag. So we need a row. In the row we will add the UI. We will copy the UI from the home page. This is the important stack. Go to the create task, paste it, and is the task important? Add some padding, make it space between, and duplicate the row, and do you want to flag the task? We will remove all the conditional actions for now and the actions as well. Because we will set the backend in the next video, and we will do the same for this, but we will use the flag button from the home page. We are copying the flag UI and we will paste it in the create task. Remove the conditional actions. Same here. I think in the home page we haven't given any action in the flag. We will do it later. We have given the stack some padding. We will remove it to maintain the alignment. So we have completed the tasks page. So I think that's it for today, guys. And if you want to make the icons a little bit more bigger, then you can do it simply. Same for the flag and flag. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We will continue our to-do list mobile application creation in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to set up the backend of the creating a new task page. We will add a new column and make the column's main axis alignment to the center. We'll wrap the column in a container and make the height of the container and the no, we don't need to wrap it in a container, it's okay, and give some padding. That's it. Now we have to create the button. On click the button, we will be navigated to the home page, and we will be able to create the new task. Here we will copy this button, or you can copy any button from your designs. We will copy the login button from here. We will go to the create task page. In the column we will add the button. We will make this column scrollable. We will use the secondary background color, and the text color should be primary text. And for the login button we will do the same. We will use the secondary background, and for the text we will use the primary text. Now fill color should be primary background. And the width should be to 90%. The text should be create task. We have now created everything we need, so let's start creating the backend. So we have task title, task description, at completion time. On click this button we got some error, so we will delete this action. On click this button we will allow the user to choose time. So time, under the date and time picker we will click date time, and there should not be any minimum date time. We will leave this. Select date time background color, and this all of this will be in the normal default mode. So now we are done with this column, this container. We are done with this container. Now coming to this Coming to this row, we have these buttons ready-made and these drop-down menus. So we will select the type of the task, and the task type will be shown here. Okay, so in the drop down menu, let's see the authenticated user, task type, and this is the list of strings. That's it. There will be no initial task defined. This is the row where all the types will be shown the user has already created, or these are the default. So we will use only this row to show if this row will be swipeable, or we will use the drop down. So let's select only one, but before this we will do this at the end. Before this is failed, so make the fields as conditional, condition, single condition. We will update the page state. We have to create a page state for this to store if the value is boolean or not. So go here, add field, local page state variable, important, this will be boolean, and for the flag we will use the flag boolean value, confirm. Now make the field conditional. Condition is single condition. If the page state important equal to true, then it will be shown, either else. Also this will be conditional. And page state important not equal to true. So we are done with our important and not important button icon. Now we will set the flagged or unflagged. It is flagged if condition is page state variable flag equal to true. We will hide it in the UI builder. Unflagged, and the condition is page state flag not equal to true. That's it. We are done with our important and flagged. Now the main task is now to create the type of the tasks. We are using the drop down, so what we can do is we will add the 4 tasks. Let's see, we local state config important is not nullable, not default values variable. Okay, we will make both of these nullable so we don't get any error. That's it. So now we will make 4 type default: home, work, shopping and wish list. So to do this, we have to go to the create account page, and on click the create account button, we will update the user's account, update document of the authenticated user, reference, and task type, add to set, specific value, this is home, okay. Now create another, or copy this, now paste it, now after pasting, delete this action, and task type, this will be work, this will be here we have to set a total of 4, okay. So copy action, actually we can make this parallel action, add parallel, so we don't need much time, this all of these actions will be executed parallelly. Cut action, paste, add another action, we need total 4 actions, okay. Copy action, paste, third one is shopping, and the fourth one is home, work, shopping, and the third one is wish list, fourth one is wish list. Now we are done with our task types. Now the task types are default. Whenever a user creates their account, all the tasks will be added automatically. We will delete this row because we are not using this feature. Also we will delete this. Or now in the drop down menu, this is 70%, so I think the drop down menu should also be the width should be 70%. Yes. Now the task type that will be shown here will be from the widget state and the drop down. So we are done with the backend. You can adjust a background here. We will cut it. We will add a container. Make the container width to 100%, height to 100%, and paste. Now in the container, in the background, for the background image, we will create an asset. We can upload one. In here we can use this. If you don't want, then you can leave it like this. For better UI structures, we will make the container transparent a little bit. Same for the second container. Now I think we made it too much transparent. this. Also same for the button. Okay, so click the create task button on tab. It will create a document. Write create document. Collection will be task book collection. In the task book collection, task title from variable, the widget state, task title. Second is post description from variable, the widget state, task description. Third is task time from variable and widget state, date picked, confirm. Important, if this is important or not, from variable we will take it from the page state value, and flagged, if it is flagged or not, from variable, from the page state value, flag. And the last but not the least, I think, is task type from variable, task type is from the drop down menu, from the widget state drop down. And also there is user reference, and the user reference will be authenticated user reference. Now show a snack bar that you created a new task. You created a new task. That's it. Our task page is ready. So go to the home page. Also go to the create task, click the button. If the user hasn't set any task type, then it will go directly to the home. Default variable value will be home. Or simply we can create a new variable. Go to the create account page. In the parallel action, create one new parallel action, copy action, paste this action, and create one more, that is default. This is default, task type is default. So all the tasks who have no type selected by the user will go to the default type. That's it, guys. We are done with our create task page, and in the next video we will learn how to give it a finishing touch. But now go to the home page, and we have to add a create new task button. So here give a button, create new task. The fill color will be secondary background, border radius will be 16, and I think we don't need this. On click create task, we will be navigated to the create task page. So that's it for today, guys. In the next video we will learn how to give a finishing touch to our mobile application. And if you want to check out this mobile application, or you can access this project by the site link, we will provide the site link of this project in the video description. So check the video description to access this project, and you can also use this project is live. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video. So hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to give our mobile application some finishing touches, and we will check if the application is working correctly or not. So we will begin from the home page, and we will correct all the mistakes that we did in our last video series, if there is any. So at first, come to this container where we are showing the list. Give the container name task type list, and remove the backend queries that we have given, and delete the backend queries. Now we will give the backend query once again. We will actually rectify that what we did wrong with it. Now give it a name. Don't go to the add query, go to the direct generating children from variable. Task type from authenticated users, task type, and no further changes. Then save. It will generate children dynamically. And now the container, the text, task type item, and no further changes. That's it. Now we are done. Now we will make this pages everything conditional. Before that, let's go to the create task page. In the create task page, we will see that we have the drop down menu and the task type. So if we haven't selected anything from the drop down, then the task type has the null value. So we will make the task type rich text conditional, so it doesn't give any null value. Go to the widget state. From the drop down, is set and non-empty. We are done with this container. Everything is set, so we will collapse the container. Here you can see that we haven't given any type of actions on this, nor the important button, either the flag button. So we will check if everything is correct. Field important equal to true, not equal to true, true, and this true. Okay, and that's it. Now we will set some actions, but before that we will go to the page state variables, local variables. In this we have set it nullable, but it will not be nullable. It needs the initial field, or it will give a null value to the page. So now come here and click on the field button or the empty button, and give an action on tab action, update page state under state management, add field important state value as true. This is for the blank, and if we click on the field icon, then on click the field icon, we will update the page state. Set value false. Make sure that you are making the condition from the authenticated user. This condition is from the page state variable. If you don't understand this video, then please go and check out our last videos. We have explained everything in this series. Unflag, this is the unflag button. On click unflag, we will update the page state variable. Flag equal to set value true, and if it is flagged, then update the page state variable and make it false. Now this page is perfect, and if we click on the navigate back icon, we have to add an action. The action is navigate back. Let's see if the create task button has everything necessary. Okay, so everything's fine, but we will create another variable in our Firebase, the task creation time. We have already task time. This is the time that by which the task have to be completed, but we also have to add a variable. The variable will store the value that when the task was created, and we will order by the list view by with this task creation time. This is date time. Go to the create task, add field, task creation time from variable, global properties, and current time. Come to the home page. In the list view, you can check that in the list view we have filter user reference equal to authenticated user reference, order by task time, but we will change it to task creation time decreasing order. We can enable infinite scroll as well, but we will not use this for now. We will go to the Firestore setup and see that we have the Firestore rules. So in the user collection, change this Firestore rules to authenticated user and deploy. The Firestore indexes are outdated. Deploy the indexes. Now come to the user profile page. Here, this is your display name. We haven't set any initial value. So set an initial value. This is your display name. And we have to create a logout button. But before this, we have to set the image. The container. This container contains the background image as the authenticated user's photo URL. And this circle images uploaded file URL. Now we will create a logout button. Create a button. We will use primary background. And we will use the width up to 70%, or I think 50% is good. Unclick the logout button. The user will be able to be logged out from the application. Don't navigate automatically. Send the user to the create account page. Let's see if the create account button is set. This sends the user to the create account, and in the create account page we have the login button, but the login button is empty. So add an action on the login button and navigate the user to the login page. We have this column in the delete task, so we can yes, this looks better, I think. Make the delete task a little bit bigger, the font size. I think 20 is good, or 18. In the home page, we will make everything conditional, like the task type. The task type, we will keep the task type, task title. Actually, this is relative, so we will also make this conditional because this is the task time. If the user hasn't set any task time, then the task time should not be appeared. So task time is set and non-empty. Now come to the create task page. Let's see. Make sure that you add a default variable value as default, so it will go to the default list. And we have to add a conditional action that if the user hasn't set any post title, or if the user hasn't set any post title, then the user would not be able to create the task. So cut this action chain. On tab, add conditional action. Condition is if the widget state task title is empty, is set and non-empty, it's true, then it will happen in the usual way, or it will show a dialog bar, information dialog, empty task. That task title cannot be empty. So it's time to test. Let's test if our application is working correctly or not. We forgot to do one more thing. When we are creating the task on click, the user should be navigated back to the home page, and in the home page we are using the list view. As you can see, we will not, I think we will use column for better user experience, and the column will be scrollable, set as primary. For now, we will remove the ordering and now it's saved and instantly reloaded. Let's see if our application is working correctly or not. Here we are not logged in, so we will create our account AVT. Now we can give any password. This is the password field. To hide the password, we can do it simply go to the create account page, and in the password field scroll down and set it as password field, so the password will be hidden. Toggle hide password icon. that's it. So the password will be hidden. I can show you, and same you can do for the login button. This is the password field, so it will be hidden whenever you are adding the password. Now we have to create an account, and you can see that the password is hidden. So let's this is our password field. Now this is our home page. This list is empty. We have to create a task. These are the default lists, a list type, that home, work, shopping, wish list, and default. We can create task that let's say 1 kg potato. We don't have to give any task description, either we don't have to give any task completion time. If we select it as shopping, then you can see the task type is set as shopping. We can make it flag important or not important. Let's create the task, and you can see that it is important. We can mark it as important, but flag button isn't working correctly, so let's fix the flag button quickly. Okay, so I haven't set any action on the flag or unflag button, so quickly update the task, update document, ask from the container query reference, and search for flagged, specific value true, copy it and paste it for the flagged, and make it here. Simply paste the previous action and make it false. Now the flag button will work as well, and as we will create a new field. Here the task title, let's say computer service, task completion time by 14, let's say 12 AM or 12 PM, and flag the task, and you can also make the task important. Select as work and create task. Now you can see 6 days from now, and this will be your countdown. And in the profile page, go to the profile page. This will be your display name, like anime type. We can upload a photo. This is our profile picture, update profile, and you can see that's working correctly. And flag. If you want to delete it, then yes, delete the task, and boom, the task is deleted. So in the next video we will learn that how to go to the pages, like if the task type is home, then all the tasks related to home will appear, and also you can search a task. This will be our last step in this video series, and then our mobile application will be completed. You can also access this project because this project is live, so you can access this project by our site URL. The site URL is todoappdc.flutterflow.app. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel once again, and today we are going to create the list type page. So if you click on the button of the type of the list, then only the similar items will be appeared in the page that will open. So let's create a blank page. Type details, add a row, an icon, and add a text. We will make the columns padding 12 from both sides. I think from all sides. Make the row space between main axis alignment. Now this is the type details page. So we will replace the widget with rich text, and we will do something better with it later. Okay, so leave it like this. We will add a column again. Or we don't need a column, we will copy the column from the home page. We will copy this column, come to the type details page, paste the column. Here we have the task details, but here we are getting the all task details, but we need to filter the data. So we need a page parameter for the task type, and the parameter is string. This is a required parameter. In the home page, if you click on the container, then it will navigate you to the details page, type details page, and pass the parameter task type from the task type item. As you can see that we are working with our backend as well as the UI, so note that. I think circle image is too big, but yeah, it's okay. Now coming to the column, we will filter another. We'll add another filter, that post type, task type equal to from the page parameter task type. That's it. Here is the type details, so we will modify the text to 16 and make it a little bit of bold, and the second text is hello world. We will change the text to task type. is no task selected. In the back button, we will add a navigate back option. Now I think we are done with our task details page, as there are a lot of lists. If you click on one of them, then we will be navigated to the task button, and we also have a edit task button and a search button. The two functionalities or features are still remaining, so at first we will test this feature. And if you want to access this project with our site URL, then you can go to the site, the link in the description, but still to do app dc.flutterflow.app. This is the link of the project that is live. You can check out and also use. This is a basic level project, so if you are a beginner, this is best practice for you. Now we are in the test mode and we are already logged in. This is the work type, so if we click on the work, we should be navigated to the type details of work. You can see this, we have been navigated to the task type details page. And if you click on the shopping, then you can see there is no task in the shopping section, and same for the wish list. So as you can see that our plan is working correctly. If we want to change the background of this to make it to look the UI better, then we can also do it. And here I think we can do something with the task type details page. We can change the color of the container to secondary background. And give the column some padding. And wrap the widget in the container. Container width 95% and height should be 95%. Fill color secondary background. Border radius 22, 24. And we can make the fill color a little bit of transparent, make it primary background. We can also allow the user to set background images here. If you want to set a background image, then we can do it, but not in this video. As you can see that we have already done with our UI elements and the task type details page. And that's it for this video. We will continue our mobile application in the next video. And if you want to access this project, then you can see that our project is already live. You can access it. with the link in the description to do appdc.flutterflow.app. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. So hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn that how to create the simple search system, how you can search your task in your app. So let's see. So if you click on the action trigger, then you are getting total of 3 options. On change, we will select on change. Search for simple search. Search type is Firestore collection. Collection is task book. Task title and post description or task title. I think task title will be better, only for better and fast results. Simple search results, search term is from the widget set, and text field search task. We will leave the max results as empty. Now we will use a conditional builder. Here in the conditional builder, add a column. In this column, add everything. This is a column. So this column will be conditional. If the search task text field is empty, only then this column will appear, else the column will not. So the widget state text field search is set, is not set, or is empty. We will hide it. We will copy this column of the home page. Now we will paste the column again and change the backend query. Remove it and go to the dynamic children. Name it as search result. And simple search result. No further changes, and save. This will generate dynamic children, the things you search here. And this column will be conditional. Condition is widget state text field is set and non-empty. Again, give it a fill color and give some padding to the column. Now we are done with our simple search system. Let's see that we have an error. So the error is in the container backend query, The container is asking for the backend query or the document reference from where we are taking the document reference. So we are taking the document reference from the search result item. Select the reference. And the container will also be conditional. The condition is the search result items user reference document ID equal to the authenticated user's document ID. So only your document appear. So let's test it. If you want to access this project, then go to the site URL, that is to-do app.tc.flutterflow.app. We will provide our live site URL in the video description. You can access this project. And if you also want to learn advanced FlutterFlow with exclusive features, then you can check out the other videos. We are creating social media and the series is being uploaded by us, and our main app is on Play Store, that is Animetype. You can go to the Play Store and download our app by searching Animetype. So here we are in the test mode and we are already logged in. So if you search, as you can see, this title is computer service. So if you search for computer service, then it should show some results. As you can see, it's showing results. Also, if you remove it, computer, it will also give the result. And if you remove it, then it will take you to the normal form. Here if you search for service only, also you will get the result. That's it. As you can see that you are getting the result. Now unflag it, flag it. As you can see that every action is working. And if you go to the this is work, if you go here, then you can see this is working correctly. This is our profile page. So thanks for watching. In the next video we will learn that how to edit a task. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to continue our mobile application. So now the edit page is remaining, but before that we have the task title, and if the task title is too long, then it will then we are in a row, so the important flag and delete button will be out of the box and it will not be shown or appear in this row. So we have to limit the size of the text, so we can use ellipses and 18 characters. Now we will create a edit page. For edit page we have the create task. Now we can duplicate the create task page and name it as edit page. or edit task page. Change the button name to edit task. We need a page parameter of the task, so give it a name, task reference, document reference, task book, and this will be a required field. So go to the home page. Now if we click on the edit icon, it will navigate the user to the edit page, edit task page. And we will pass task reference from the container query. Now everything will be same as the create task page, but we have to change the button backend. We will use the update document. Task reference, task title from variable, and everything will be taken from the widget state. Everything will be taken from the widget state values and the page state. The important variable value will be taken from the page state, and user reference will be same. Task type, if the task type is changed, then the same it will be taken from the drop down. And the snack bar will be shown up. It will say your task was edited. That's it. Navigate to home page. Now we have to set the initial values from the task reference. For this, create a backend query in the scaffold, document from reference, or we will create the backend query in the container background and that is task book. From the page parameter, initial value, task title, it will be task description. From the task book document, actually we have the post description variable and task completion time initial value. Let's see if we have any. We don't have the option to set a initial value in the completion time. So go here and default date time should be from the task book document and the task time. From this the drop down, we will select the task book document task creation task type, and we have the page state variables. So to select the initial values, we can simply remove them because we already have the option in the home page, so we don't need them here. We will reduce the size of the container. And after editing, we will be navigated to the home page. Now the edit task page has been created. For the home page background, what we can do, we can wrap the widget in a container, set the width as 100%, height as, and width as also 95%. Alignment will be at the center, and the border radius should be 24. Now what we have here, we have the container, and the container we will reduce the container width. and the width will be automatic. In the row, we will set the alignment to the middle. So now we are done with our edit page system. Now we will add a new circle image to set the icon of the app. Diameter should be very small. And we will upload. This will be cached. We will use an asset file. We will upload an icon. I already have an icon. I will use this icon. That's it. So we have a working create task page, profile page, search button. So hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to finish our to-do app mobile application, and this is the final video of this series. And after this video, this app is completed and ready to use and ready to publish in the production mode. So let's start. At first we will fix our simple things. Like this is the main container and we have a column in this. We will make the column scrollable. Height is 80%, we will make the height to 95%. Add this container, also make the container scrollable. This is our row, make sure this row is scrollable. Now we can make this container's background colorful or give it a shadow. And also we can give some gradient like this. light mode it will look like this, and in the dark mode it will look like this. This is the task title. The task title is mandatory. Task type, this is the task type. We will check all the things. If all is correctly set, this is our main goal in this episode. Make sure the task type is default in the default variable value. This is our task title. We will ellipsis it. Max character allowed is 18. Unclick the edit button. It will take the user to the edit page. Now I think everything is set for the home page, and we also have the simple search text field. It works. And now come to the app assets. For the splash screen, you can upload a splash screen, and or you can also leave it. If you are making a website, you can also create a splash screen in Canva and upload it. It will give your app a professional look. We will use our launcher icon. This is our launcher icon, and Android adaptive icon will be this. Make the column scrollable. We will give a default value for the background image. This is our default value. We'll make sure that the logout button appears in both dark and white mode. Same for the update profile button. Same for the create task button. Make the text color white. is fine. Everything looks better and visible as well. In the login page, we will do the same to make sure that the texts are visible. Now go to the create account page. Our home page. Everything works correctly. This is delete page. We will fix the button. Make the text color as secondary background so it's visible. In the edit page, same we will do for the edit page. To make sure every letter is visible. Go to the user profile page. In the user profile page, we have already fixed everything. This is the type details and everything works correctly here as well. Now go to the home page. We had the conditional actions in the column, so we will see the other column. Yes, it's fine. And these texts are conditional, and yes, now everything should work correctly and we have finished our application. This is the last episode and now we will publish it. You can check this mobile app by accessing it with this site URL to do appdc.flutterflow.app. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and this was the last video of this series. If you want to check out the whole series, then you can check out our playlist of the To-Do app. Let's create an account. You can see that we already have the list types. All the lists are empty now. This is our profile. Let's set our name. We can also set our profile picture. Now let's add a task. Task completion time by today around 5 p.m. Select a type, as you can see, updated. This is important, we will not flag it. So create this task. This is the edit button. The edit button is not visible in the web, so it's looking like this, but if you download the application, then it will appear properly. So if we go to the home section, you can see that we have this task. Let's add another task. 2 chips packet. We will not give any type of task completion time. We will not flag it anything. Now we get it. So it will go to the default section. This is the home section, and in the default section the chips packet, because we didn't add any type of type. So if we add a type like shopping and edit the task, then you can see that it will be removed from the default and go to the shopping. This is shopping section. So our mobile app is correctly working, and if you log out, then it will be logged out. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of this FlutterFlow beginner to do app making series. If you want to see and watch and learn our advanced guide, then we are making also a social media series, and the social media mobile application is also live on web, so you can also access the project by the site URL. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video series.